Bigg Boss 10 is getting interesting day by day, and it has definitely grabbed everyone's eyeballs. In the previous episode, we saw Bani's team getting nominated for the eviction this week after losing the viral video task. New day brings new twist and new drama in the house. The contestants wake up to the song Sona Kitna Sona Hai. Even before the luxury task is introduced, Bigg Boss assigns a secret task to Lopamudra and Manu, giving them a chance to compete for captaincy. Bigg Boss then introduces the BB Goldmine luxury budget task, wherein Rohan is a businessman and the rest of the housemates are his gulams. These gulams have been tasked with finding gold for Rohan for the gold mine in the garden. The gulams have to collect the gold in a test tube and give it to Rohan in his office, who will in turn weight it and put it in his safe. Before the task begins, Bani warns Rohan to be careful because she has overheard Manu and Manveer making plans to sabotage the task. While the contestants strive hard to find gold for Rohan, Lopamudra and Manu make strategies for the robbery. But Lopa is also trying to be careful that the robbery does not affect her friendship with Rohan. She also highlights that Rohan is already suspecting something fishy and has asked Lopa not to backstab him. But Manu manages to calm her down. Rohan doubts Lopa's action and does not allow her to dig for gold. Upset by Rohan's behavior, Lopa gets into an argument with him. On the other hand, Nitiba tells Rohan that Lopa and Rahul might have been assigned a secret task because Bigg Boss had called them to the confession room in the morning. Rohan confronts Lopa, but she changes the topic by pointing out some of Rahul's action. Swami Om enjoys digging for gold so much that he refuses to leave the mine. Rohan warns him that if he doesn't come out, he will be punished. Nitiba and Om get into an argument. Swami Om threatens Nitiba and tells her that not to take panga with him as she is eliminated. Nitiba loses her cool and tells Swami to apologize. Lopamudra and Manveer discuss the secret task in their dressing room. Lopa says that she is feeling bad about lying and stealing. After the task is over for the day, Rohan ties up the locker which has the dugout gold for protection. Rohan also decides to sleep outside near the locker to protect the gold. Manu says to the camera that he is irritated of Lopa constantly placing friendship before the secret task. Lopa finally decides to steal the gold from the vault while Rohan was sleeping, but was unsuccessful in doing so because Rohan is not a sound sleeper. He wakes up and sees Lopa standing. In tonight's episode, we will see Lopa tying Rohan with the rope, and he tells her that he doesn't like people who backstab him. It will be really interesting to see if Lopa and Manu succeed to steal the gold and win the opportunity to become the captain. For more information and updates, subscribe to Teletalk.